Welcome back. Today is day 5 of our graphing quadratics unit. In today's lesson, we will be analyzing factored form. We have another Desmos activity planned for you. You can use the video as a guide for the activity or just fly right through the end of the activity. Just a reminder, a link to the handout is provided in the description so you can follow along. Enjoy. Alright, for today's lesson, we'll be using Desmos again. So what I'll need you to do is I need you to go to student.desmos.com, type in this code, and then pause the screen right now, log in, and then we'll get started on this lesson. We're going to be completing slides 1 through 8, so factored form, we're going to be investigating this today. Once you finish 8, I need you to come back to your notes and then record your responses in your notes. So we're going to complete 1 through 8. I'll give you a quick little tutorial in a second, but that's what we're doing for this first section. This is part 1. All right, so for the part 1, this is the form that we'll be studying. This is factored form. And when you go to slide 2, what I'll need you to do again is to just move the slider around, change the slider, and then you're going to record on the next page what do you notice was happening, and then you're going to try it again with the next one. So again, we're going to figure out what A, R sub 1, and R sub 2 are doing to the graphs. So complete these really quick, and then once you're done, into your notebook, then record what your response is. All right. Done with part 1. Part 2, complete slides 9 through 14. So you should be able to complete the next slides. These are going to be matching. So like in this example right here, you're going to match the red graph to the black graph. And we'll go over that in Desmos in a second. But you should be able to complete 9 through 14 in this next part. So part 3, now we only have one little challenge slide for you. But what you're going to be doing here, you see 5 equations here. And let's read this real quick. Challenge 1, plot 5 parabolas with the same x-intercepts, the black dots, but with different vertices. So what we're looking for is, we need you to use, and I need you to color code these. So that red dot on top, I'm going to need the parabola to go through something like that. All right, and then I'm going to need one, that's for the first one, so type it in the first one. Then for the blue equation, we are going to want to see a parabola that looks like this. So you're going to have the same intercepts. You should be using the same intercepts. So this intercept right here and this intercept. But we need the parabolas to go through those values right there. Okay, and try to color code them. Now we're at part 4. We should start seeing a pattern and start understanding what's going on here. So see if you can do this in your notebook. So in your notebook, answer these questions. What are the zeros? And then I'm going to want you to double check on Desmos to make sure that's correct. So answer each one of these questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll double check to see if you got those right on Desmos. All right, and I'll show you that in a second. These are this is our double check now. So again, here equations given, graphs given, and we have 2 zeros. We should be able to just by looking at the equation, just identify them. So let's say, for instance, and I'm going to want you to change this number. So change the number so that way I think my 0 is at 2, 0, and obviously that's not correct. So it should be at a different number. So again, this is your checking area. So check your problems, make sure you got them correct. And now to finish up this activity, just complete slides 20 through 24. So finish up the rest of the slides. After you're done, back in your notebook, write down 3 to 4 sentences about what you learned today. All right, thank you for watching.